Senator, you filed the Eman Atienza bill. Can you tell us why did you thought of that?
Actually, yung official name niya is Anti-Online Hate and Harassment Bill. No? Yung nickname niya for awareness and for easier understanding is the Eman Atienza Bill. Siguro ko personal experience, I've had 4 friends na nagpakamatay, nag-suicide yung mga sons or daughters nila. And anyway, as a result of yung fear of backlash online and social media, parang nakakalungkot kasi medyo fragile yung mga bata ngayon. Pero yung buhay nila yung social media. And we don't want another son or a daughter na sumunod na naman kay Eman. And kaya natin ginawang Eman Atienza not because para sa akin sitwasyon, pero she was an advocate of mental health, no? Awareness, and yung online safe space. Kaya siya nag-advocate din eh. So, kaya I just think that it's just fitting that it be named after her. Actually, ang unang nag-file ko si Congressman Albi Benitez sa House, and then he asked me to file a counterpart measure sa Senate, which I filed kasi very close to Kuya Pip. Almost everyday kami magkasama niyan. Nagkakape bago kami mag-workout, mag-motor. So, and I have seen the anguish of all the parents, itong mga 4 kong kaibigan, personal friends, na talagang hindi na yun makaka-move on eh. It will always be there. No? Gagaan ng konti yung pain, but it will always be there. Kaya alam ko gano'ng kasakit to. And we do not want another child or to be lost because of online hate and harassment. So, ito, I just thought na at least, magkaroon din awareness yung mga tao na, we just have to, in the words of Eman, a little kindness every day, Diba? There's just too much hate already.
Ano pong sabi ko yung tungkol dito?
Actually, nung dinraft ko ito, kakalipad lang niya eh. Tinext ko siya. Sabi ko, what do you think of the idea of filing the anti-online hate bill? Kami ni Congressman Albi Benitez will be filing. Tinatanong niya kung pwede i-pangalan na to be called also as Eman Atienza bill. So I just want your permission sa inyo ni Feli. So, maya sumagot na siya. Sabi niya, of course bro, thank you very much. Sabi ni Feli. So, when they arrive, nandito na, I handed them over the copy of the bill. Na may number na. So, yun. Very thankful naman si Feli. Kim, I hope, sabi nga nila, her death wouldn't be in vain. Sana ito na yung maging simula na talaga yung awareness and kontrahin yung hate, too much hate and harassment sa social media.
Konting details lang, Senator.
Yes, about the bill.
Well, ang maraming sasabi kasi meron ng redundant may anti-cyberbullying na. Pero kasi in this bill, in particular bill, it defines yung what is hate and harassment. So magkakaroon din ng karampatang mga penalties. Siguro i-deactivate yung mga accounts kung talagang mapapatunayan. Pero kung sino man, ano man, paano yung mechanics ito, that we will find out. We will invite stakeholders, yung mga experts, of course. Kasama na rin yung mga yung mga psychiatrists, psychologists, who would know more or in authority to talk about mental health. Kasi hindi naman natin linya yan. So, lang to, this is just a draft bill. Wala pang final. So, we have to hear the opinions of the experts and the stakeholders.
Kaya nakalaki po yung chance na ma-approve po ito at kaya matagal po kayo?
Well, ang realistically, isang bill, at least about 2 years bago makapasa eh. Kasi both houses pa, magkakaroon ng 3 hearings pa yan. So, very tedious, matagal ng lawmaking. So, pero sana, because of I would say that yung pong cyberbullying, online hate, harassment is a clear and present danger affecting all young people of the day. Kaya ako, syempre, may anak din ako dalawang bata. Bata pa eh. Syempre, worried din ako. Ayoko masubject nila sa ganun. And baka damdamin masyado, nakakatakot. Kasi nga, as I mentioned, iba ang ano ngayon, mga bata. Mas fragile sila. Mas marupok sila kumpara sa atin na nabuhay na nung wala pang social media.
Senator JB, what can you say regarding the opinions of netizens na we should be going after the root cause, which is yung pagiging mahal nga ng mental health care, and if you
Well,
have to file a bill to lower the health care.
Well, that's the reason nung sabay-sabayan natin na ipasa. I principally authored and sponsored the Universal Healthcare Law, the National Integrated Cancer Control Act, kasi mahal din ang cancer.
Yes.
No, at least with the passage of this bill, mayroong cancer assistance fund, research para bumaba yung cost ng cure ng cancer. Kasama rin yung national, yung mental health law 2019 with the aim of establishing mental health units in selected hospitals, no, public hospitals, para lahat magkaroon ng access kahit sa probinsya. And hopefully, ang key naman dito is funding. No, na hopefully with this that happened to Eman, it help create awareness, magkakaroon tayo ng suporta ngayon sakaling we will make an ayoko na ng insertion, amendment na lang to augment yung mental health law para madagdagan yung pondo for those mabigyan ng assistance, those who would need help. Kasi kailangan siguro sa atin awareness din sa ating mga Pilipino that it's okay na to be okay. Sabi nga, na hindi masamang pumunta sa psychologist, sa psychiatrist, to seek counseling. Kasi minsan, hindi pa accepted sa atin yun. Akala, pag pumunta ka sa psychologist, psychiatrist, baka isipin, meron kang something, di ba? Hindi yun. No? Dapat malaman na we have to educate everybody na pag meron tayong problema, it's okay to seek mental health, counseling, to seek psychiatrist, psychological help para at least ma-overcome natin yung mental health issues.
Sen JB, kayo, how do you take care of your mental health?
Siguro para mabawasan siguro I'm in politics. I'm also subject to online bullying, harassment.
Yes.
Tinitignan ko na lang yung reaction pag kung may social media, hindi ko na binabasa yung comments kasi naapektuhan ka para mabawasan yung toxicity. Life is already toxic as it is because of the situation now. So, para mabawasan, dala kayo magbasa masyado ng comments. Madalas naman okay naman. So, but that's life eh. Parang ganun eh. Titignan mo lang yung reactions pag mas marami talaga yung likes. And so happy ka na nun. Diba? Talagang, meron kasi talagang iba parang basta lang may masabi. Yun na nakakasakit doon na sana mabawasan natin. Let us learn from what Emma has espoused and advocated. Let us give a little kindness every day. Yun lang. There's just too much hate already in social media.
Thank you, Senator.